Hey, good afternoon. It is Wednesday, or Tuesday, I keep saying it, Tuesday, June 11th, 3:12 p.m. Markets just closed. Take a look at the past couple of days price action. It was mainly up, but you can tell when price slows down, you're hitting those longs below the main trend line. And as you can see, the direction of that trend line started going sloping down, taking price with it. That's linear regression, and it leads price. And here was the 4. So you can see the price take all roads to the where? To the trend filter and the bottom of the range. So very cool LRT lines indicator, price action. And then another thing to notice, when you are escalating in price, you only have a certain area that you really get to when price starts rolling over. Here we got to the 4th level, 1, 2, 3, almost to the 4th level, the 3rd, and then again came down 2 levels, and then back up to the same level, and then rolled over, and then it started graduating down. And so they usually will go back and hit the prior level that was reached, or if you can see it start rolling over, that's when you can come in and start attacking them to the downside and flipping over and looking at shorts at that point. And that's what we had today. We had the short price action taking this into the trend filter. So it was a counter trend day. And another way to look at this is, well, definitely locational trading, either to the bottom of the range or to a location like the trend filter sitting on that prior day low. So another way to manage this is on the JATS-HiLo2.2, and that is getting in on a directional move according to our custom range period, and then we set our bar size accordingly and try to manage the trades on these pullbacks. So I've got the triggers set up to enter on these 2 levels and back in the direction of the trade. If you do get an outlier, that's okay. You can set your stop relatively short above that line and be totally safe 99% of the time. These outliers, though, where they spike up and out to clear the stops in that zone that are parked back here, if you take that stop out, don't panic, because Blackbird has a setting that you want to take the very minimal risk between the blue line and the outside of that red line. So there's your risk parameter. And anything above that field would be that outlier. So don't worry about it. Take the hit, because you can get back in on the recross back down right there and get back in. Okay, with very small risk. So otherwise, hold the line, you know the trajectory, trade to a level or to like that confluence that we saw. And another great way to manage the markets for these trades. And it all starts with getting a concept of where you are locationally, and directionally. You can usually see the momentum, linear regression all flashing in the same color at the same time, which gives you confidence to come in and take those trades, especially those pullbacks can get quite deep. All right, thank you so much. We'll see you in the trade room.